Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On the job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International Blitar by Evan Kamaludin and Tegar Dwi Arbiantoro. Network and Computer Engineering Program 2 SMKN 1 Legok 2022-2023. Acknowledgement. Praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that we could finish this report on the job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International Blitar. Due to the duty of finishing the last grade for English class requirement, we express our gratitude to the person as follows. First, Mr. Puput Amiranti, NSS, as English teacher who has directed and accompanied us to complete this report. Second, Mr. Nur Naning Tiastuti, as the head program teacher for Network and Computer Engineering program who has directed, carefully taught and inspired us more about studying networking. Number 3, Mr. Elke Aris Prastio, SPD, SE, as Director of PT Teknolab Caraka International, who have taught us these disciplines and work experience. Number 4, Mr. Pradana Yoga Kristri, EMTSE, as our mentor during the internships, seriously gave us direction. Number 5, parents who always keep praying, giving, supporting, and counting on great sacrifice for us, mainly for succeeding our school until finish. Number 6, friends who has been the good persons for sharing and supporting each other in this studying process. Later, we are aware if this report is still far from perfectness. Therefore, some critics and suggestions are necessary to give us a good input to improve this report better. This is structure of table contents. Acknowledgement, Chapter 1 Introduction, 1.1 Background, 1.2 Company Profile, 1.3 Purpose, 1.4 Advantage, Chapter 2 Practical Training, 2.1 Organization and Employees or Organization Structure, 2.2 Training Outline and Environment, 2.3 Identifying Current Projects and Following Up the Work, Chapter 3 Closing and Recommendation, 3.1 Conclusion, and 3.2 Suggestion and Recommendation. Source and the last attachment. Chapter 1 Introduction, 1.1 Background, as a means to add work-ready experience as well as requirement to fulfill graduation in vocational high school. The reasons we choose PT Teknolab Caraka International as a place for internship. This company is engaged in the IoT automation industry. Another reason is that we are interested in programming where we are interested in honing our program skills at that company. In this part of the capture, we would like to report that we have completed a 6-month internship at PT Teknolab Caraka International in Blitar. PT Teknolab Caraka International is a global industrial company engaged in industrial automation and IoT. This company provides design and assembly service for industrial machine control device, solar power plant design and assembly service, and IoT system designs and assembly service. 1.2 Company Profile. PT Teknolab Caraka International has been established since January 1st, 2022. This company has a vision of the future technology company, and the mission is, first, to be a technology company with the best service in Indonesia, providing optimum benefits for consumers with the spirit of technological advancements in Indonesia. Number 3, conducting research and development in the field of technology for the benefit of the Ummah, the nation, and the unitary states of the Republic of Indonesia. Number 4. Building a nationalist and religious work culture in the company's internal and external. Number 5. Creating a mutually beneficial technology business ecosystem for mutual progress. The head office building of the PT Teknonet Caraka International is located on Cibodas Street number 3 Tanggung, Kepanjen Kidul District, Blitar City, East Java. The scope of work carried out by PT Teknolab Caraka International include design and assembly service for machine control device, solar power plant design and assembly service, Internet of Things system design and assembly service, web design and development service, and Arduino starter kit product service providers. Design and assembly service for machine control equipment including underwater missile control system, safety dump truck system, flood early warning system, solar power plant design and assembly service include design, assembly and installation of solar panel system hardware and monitoring system in the form of a real-time web. Internet of Things system design and assembly service include providing Arduino starter kit products, smart homes, and RFID card starter kit products. By implementing the scope of work, PT Teknolab Caraka International provides the best service to customers who handle their needs for technology issues, designing and assembling Internet of Things system. 1.3 Purpose 1. First, job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International was created to fulfill the English report assignment as a condition for completing the final assignment for this last semester. Second, job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International was written to enrich knowledge about the experience of situation in the employment for vocational high school students taking the computer and network engineering program. Third, job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International was written to enrich skill experience, especially related to the skills competency program for Nglegok vocational high school student. 1.4 Advantage. First, job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International was written to obtain information about the benefits of situational knowledge in the field of fieldwork practice in computer gamma for any SMK student majoring in computer and network engineering, especially for students of SMK Negeri 1 Legok. Second, job training report at PT Teknolab Caraka International was created to obtain information about all the knowledge that can be obtained during fieldwork practice, especially information about computer engineering and technology.
Chapter 2 Practical Training Organization and Employees Organization Structure. This is silhouette organization structure of PT Teknologi Caraka International is shown in figure 1 as follows. The owner director is Elka Aris Prasetyo. Engineering and Operation Manager Pradana Yoga Chris Aditri. Marketing Manager Siska Yulianti. General Affair Indriawan. Junior Engineering M. Niko Nur Cahyono. The structure of organization description. 1. Owner Director. 2. Manager. A. Engineering Manager. He works as a technical manager. He is responsible for carrying out project tool testing, signing test certificate, checking test result report, and validation work instruction. B. Operation Manager. He works as operation manager, organizes and manages everything that's goes on the company, starting from managing the workforce to the good or service product by the company. C. Marketing manager. He worked as a marketing manager. He managed all the technology updates that exist every day for the company progress. 3. General Affairs. He worked as a general affairs office. He is tasked for with completing the work of the team that is not covered and providing an all item for the needs and available of the company. 4. Junior engineering. He worked he worked as a junior engineering. He is responsible for draw up plan, ensuring the project design is safe and efficient, and ensuring the project is completed within budget. Training outline and for environment. We have spent the major part of the period of training in PT Teknoweb Caraka International, include learning web programming, create a simple application, and assisting senior engineering. More specifically, more of our training is in website creating guided by Mr. Yuga. We also work with a team of interns from TI Industrial Electronic Engineering SMKN 1 Meliko. We are also given a deadline for a 6-month internship, which must be done as follows. 1. Understand the work environment in the office. 2. Describe or character. To arrange the schedule of daily activity to be better and more specific. To understand and create web programming development flow. To create and build front-end based web responsive framework. To create a build JRUD, create, write, update, delete based web backend framework. 3. Understanding and creating simple application. Understand and create simple mobile application from start with a specific platform. Understand the data delivery system from an application to another platform. Identifying current project and following up the work. A. First month on January. The first month is of training is to get to know how the environment work and its flow. In the first week, we learn how create a responsive web, a method for creating a website layout that can adapt to the user's screen size. In the second week, we learn how to create a website using the JRUD method. JRUD stands for the create, write, update, and delete process used to manage data in data processing system or application. And in the third and fourth week, we learn the Python programming language. The second month of February. The first week of February, we work on the solar panel monitoring web design, then wait for web design approval from the component and main director. The second and third week, we worked on creating network attached storage NAS, which is used for storing company data. Third month of March. The first and second week of March, we are continuing the solar panel monitoring web project whose design has been approved by the assistant and main director. Starting from building and creating a web display design program to make a look responsive and attractive, or what is usually called front-end development. In the third and fourth week, we continue work and the previously unfinished NAS network attached storage project. Fourth and fifth month. In the first month, we carried out debugging of the website monitoring panel program project, where there were problems with the web program we were working on. While they were working on debugging the website program, we were also testing the NAS device that we had finished building. In the fifth month, we are still continue and debugging process of the website monitoring panel project program. The month we also got a new work assessment, namely creating a REST server API. REST server is an interface used to computer system to exchange information securely over the internet, where the REST API is used for the communication system on ETS device, a project carried out by the Industrial Electronic Engineering team.
6 months of June. In the first week of the month, we do hosting the completed monitoring panel website program and the ETS REST server API program. In the second and third week, the activities we carried out were helping to package Arduino starter kit produced by our office.
Chapter 3, Closing and Recommendation. Conclusion. The point we get from the job training includes one weekend experience regarding the work culture in the company, such as discipline, how to work in a company, SOP, safety at work, rules, and so on. 2. From this work practice, we can also develop and improve the skill we have learned at school. 3. We can also build relationship with superior manager and relationship between fellow interns. Suggestion and recommendation. Our suggestion is that PT Teknolab Caraka International is getting better. 1. Maintain job training program for vocation school students, especially job training program for vocation school students majoring in computer and network engineering, so that the knowledge student development and apply is not just about computer network. To improve infrastructure and adequate work facility to support a student in completing their assignment. Maintain an evaluation of student performance every week so that they can improve themselves and carry out this in the directed. For also maintain a system for recording students' daily activity from dawn to evening every day to train students in discipline and culture of diligent and orderly living. Advice for yourself as interns regarding the future is: give your best in every assignment and study diligently, because the internship experience can form the basis for a future career. Always dare to ask questions and ask for help when facing obstacles, because the is the best way to learn and grow. Continue to be open to change and flexible in dealing with challenges that may arise during the internship. Maintain a high work ethic, respect confidentiality, and demonstrate integrity in all action. Remember that your internship experience is the first step to career success. To make the most of it and enjoy the process. This source, technolabpace.id, and this attachment. Thank you for watch. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.